Today we're going to be changing the front tyres on the Massey Ferguson 1220. This side in particular is terrible, there is very little tread left, and the other side it's okay, but I might as well just change them together. No point just doing one side and not the other. So let's get these wheels removed first of all. That was the simple part. Now all we have to do is deflate the wheel and then debead it. With a debeading tool this is actually a very simple job, although some beads can be fairly stubborn. Let's just see what this one is like. Okay, so not too bad. I've certainly had much worse than this, but it isn't a very big tyre, so the bead isn't that strong, although it can actually be, like I say, very, very tough to break them sometimes. I'll just keep working around the outside, and then eventually all of the this side will be done, and then we have to flip the wheel over and do the exact same thing the other side. So here we go, this is the other side of the wheel. Now this tyre changer actually is designed more for ATV and ride-on mower tyres. The main reason for this is because you should have a hub going up the centre for the centre rod to sit inside. I'm going to try it anyway, hopefully we can do it. Well, there's the first one. Luckily it wasn't too hard to do that, but yeah, we just need to try and get the new one installed, which is always the tougher part. But what I'll do is just lubricate all of this, and then hopefully it'll just slip over. So I've just installed the new inner tube, and I think the inner tube might be better because I'm actually planning on putting some water ballast in here, just maybe for the future. And yeah, I'm just holding it tight with the vice grips. So there we have it, the first wheel has got its new tyre on. All we need to do now is take it off the installation tool, and then, without losing the valve stem inside the wheel, we need to inflate it, and then of course bead it at the same time. And there we have it, the first front tyre has been fitted. And I must admit this is the first time I've ever fitted a tyre to a compact tractor. Anyway, that can go over there and we can start the next one, but I'll probably do most of that in my own time. So we'll get the new one installed, and then we can see what it looks like on the tractor. And while we've got the jack out, I might as well just remove the other tyre as well, the other wheel. This one, like I say, actually isn't as bad, but it would look a bit strange only replacing one. Anyway, I bought them in pairs anyway, so I might as well fit them both. I've had them for over a year. And there we have it, that is the other wheel done as well, and what a difference it makes having some decent new tyres.